With the Moppet on its back, use the included 5/32 Allen wrench to remove the old wheels by turning the wrench counterclockwise. If your Moppet still has the old hard plastic wheels, you'll need a Phillips screwdriver to remove them. Place the lock washer on the new wheel and attach it to the squeegee bar by turning the wrench clockwise. Stand the Moppet up. Give us a call at 1-800-290-2833 or email us at moppet@moppet.com if you have any questions or concerns about your Moppet. Thank you for being a Moppet customer.